Proxy access. Proxy access can allow you to manage another individual's care, like a child or spouse. At the top of the home screen, you will see a link next to your name that reads Add Patient if you don't yet have any proxy connections, or Switch Patient if you do. First, let's see how easy it is to switch to another individual's account. I tap Switch Patient and then select from my available proxy connections. For children under 12 or for adults who grant full account access, you have all the same functionality that you do for your own account, including messaging the care team, scheduling appointments, and viewing test results. For children 12 to 17 years old, access is limited to comply with privacy law and noted with informational messages throughout the app. Now we'll switch back to the primary account to look at adding and granting proxy access. First, we'll access the proxy menu again, but this time select Add Patient. If you have no proxy connections yet, your proxy link will take you directly to Add a Patient. Complete the required information and submit your form. When your request is approved, you will receive a notification. Now, let's look at inviting another Sharp app user to access your account. Tap the profile icon at the top of the home screen, and then select Manage Family Accounts. Here, you can invite someone to access your account. When you submit this form, the other patient will receive a notification with the access request. If accepted, then they will gain proxy access to your medical record.